Part B. Now we're asked to sketch the graph of y equals f of g of x for x between -1 and 1. And we should label the coordinates of any local maximum and minimum points. So in part A, we found out what f of g of x was. We found that it was equal to 2 tangent of x minus tan cubed of x. So f of g equals 2 tan x minus tan cubed. And we're supposed to plot this. And we're given a grid here where x goes from -1 to 1, and y goes from -1 to 1, and y goes from -2 to +2. So our graph is going to be on a grid somewhat like this. So anyway, let's go to our calculator. We can go to menu, graph, input our function here. So 2 tangent tan of x minus tan of x, tan cubed of x, which I'll do in parentheses, tangent of x cubed. And we have to make sure that we're in radians, which I can see up there. All right, so now let's plot, draw. Okay, I'm going to have to adjust my window. So x goes from -1 to 1. Y goes from -2 to 2. So there we go. So here's our graph. And we see we have a minimum point over here and a maximum point over there. So it's going to look somewhat like this. And it goes through the origin. And it has this, we have x-intercepts here and here. So right before -1, right after -1, and right before 1. So it looks somewhat like that. And now let's get the max and mins. So let's start with the min. Over here, we have x equals -6.847. So -6.85, and y equals -1.09. So right here, -0.685, comma, -1.09. That's the three significant figures. And then our maximum over here, to find the min and max, we go to gsolve and then min and max. So max positive 0.685 as well, and then 1.09. So 0.8685, comma 1.09. So there's our graph, y equals f of g of x. I'm just going to say here, f of g of x is the curve in blue. So that's the answer to part B.